All right, have you ever wanted to turn on a light bulb into a smart light bulb? Well, now you can. This actually has a sensor from night to day mode, if you guys can see, and it gives you clear instructions. It says here, do not cover the hole, because this is where the sensor is. So what you need to do is you actually tie this into the light bulb, right? Tie this into a regular regular LED light bulb up to 100 to 60 watts you can do. Now this one has a sensor. We're going to set it up to the actual light source so you guys can see, and we're going to test it out. You guys can see I put it outdoors because it's going to get dark soon, and if you want to leave it on, but just make sure that the lens, which is the actual part that has the sensor, is showing up in it. Because I have glass, it's perfect. So right now we're going to leave it here, still daylight. But we're going to come back at night and see if it works. If it's worth it, it's something that you want to put out either for your house or your entrances, pretty much anywhere. But it's outdoors. You put it outdoors. And look at this, guys. I'm going to show you guys that even the birds are flying home, because it's going to get dark soon. So, all right, as you can see, it did turn on at night. So if you have a day to light mode, or you want to make any light bulb into automatically to turn off, this is it. So out of the box, you got the sensor here. It's working very well. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and it is dark now, so